This is a repair for the LCD on a Lenovo 100e G4. The tools required for this repair are the screwdriver from the AGP Toolkit using the PZ0 Phillips head, as well as metal pliers, also found in the toolkit, and a flat-headed metal spudger. I also have a grounding bracelet to prevent static electricity. To start, you want to flip the unit over and remove the bottom cover. We'll take the metal spudger, insert it at the corner, and twist till you hear a pop. And the bottom cover will pop right off. We will then disconnect the battery by pulling straight to disconnect the battery cable from the port itself in the motherboard. You want to always pull straight as to not damage the pins in the battery cable or in the battery port itself. We'll then place the bottom cover back on the unit for the time being, and then open the top. We'll take the metal spudger, insert it at the corner of the bezel, and twist till you hear that pop. Slowly go down each side of the bezel as to not damage it. Then the bezel should pop right off. The LCD for this unit is only held in by 4 screws and a cable holding it in. Now remove these 4 screws. The LCD will just fall right out. We'll flip it over, flip up the switch, keeping the cable in the port, and remove the cable. We'll take our new LCD, lay it face down on the keyboard, take the cable, slide it into the port, flip the connector down to hold it in place, and then flip the LCD back up and line up the brackets with the screw mounts. Then take our screws and tighten the LCD in place. We'll then take the bezel, lining it up with the inserts for the hinges to get it in place. And then we'll go from the top and pop it into place. Then close the unit, flip it over, and remove the bottom cover again. And then reattach the battery, sliding the cable straight into the port. Place the bottom cover back on. and tighten it in place. To then verify the repair, we'll take a 65-watt cable with a USB-C, plug it into the power port on the left of the unit, and power the unit on. And purely by the screen turning on, this verifies our repair.